Hello, my card making friend. I'm so glad you're here and that we can have some fun crafting together today. So today we are going to be making one of these birthday wishes star cards. So they come in two colour variations. There's the pink, blue and yellow version and the blue, light blue, dark blue and orange version. Now I do have a little bit of a cold when I'm recording this video, so it's not going to stop me having fun with you, so let's go and get crafting. Okay, so in addition to your card making kit, you will also need a glue stick and a scrap piece of paper. And don't forget to pause this video after each step just to help you along the way and make it more easy to follow. So the first thing we're going to do is unpack our kit and lay everything out so we can see what we've got in the kit. Alright, so pause the video now and I'll see you back when you've laid out all your things. Okay, so you can see we've got a selection of stars that you've got in your pack. You've got some swirly pattern stars and some glitter stars, and there's varying sizes. So there's big stars, medium stars and small stars. So grab your card and your glue stick and we're going to start to lay them out and see what looks nice. This is where you get to be creative. So we're doing, this is a birthday wishes card, so we've got an explosion of star wishes on the card. So have some fun just laying them out how you think it might look good. Do a combination of big stars, little stars, glitter stars, swirly stars. And you might only want a few stars, or you might want lots of stars. Maybe save some for inside the card. I think it's always nice to have a little bit of a surprise for the person opening the card to get something on the inside as well. So I'm not going to use all my stars on the outside. I'll just see sort of what looks good. There we go, maybe something like that. And then you can start to glue. So make sure you got your piece of scrap paper so that you don't glue on any tables or kitchen benches or anything like that. And so turn the star over and pop a nice bit of glue on. And sometimes it's easier, particularly with smaller stars, to just swirl it over the top of the glue stick, I find. And then press it down and keep gluing until you have finished all your stars. Alright, so you can pause the video now and do some gluing. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, there we go. All finished, your gluing. You can see mine are all stuck down, not coming off. So we've got a few stars left over, and I said we could do something on the inside. So open up your card, maybe just give it a fold out bit flat, and then have a think about what you would like to, where you'd like to stick your stars on the inside. So you could do something on this side or the side that you write on. I might do a few in the bottom corner here. So you can lay your stars out and see what looks nice. A little one and a glitter one. There. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. Get my glue again and glue them down. Like I said, I find it easy to just wiggle the glue on by holding the little stars on my finger rather than doing it on the paper, but whatever works well for you, whatever's easiest. You can lie it down on the paper and glue, or hold it in your fingers like I do. There we go. And now the final thing that you can do to decorate your card, I've left the writing here without any colour in. So I thought maybe you might like to grab some textures or some pencils or crayons and colour that in so that looks fun as well. So I've got pink and gold here, so I'm going to do those colours on mine. I wonder what you're going to choose. All right, so this is just colouring inside the letters in the white bits. There you go, so they look nice like that. All right, go and grab some textures or pencils or crayons. Maybe pencils or textures might be easier. And have some fun with that, and I'll see you when you're done. Okay, I'm just finishing off my last letter, just doing the S in gold. So I've done alternate colours, the pink and the gold. There we go. All finished. Our beautiful birthday wishes star card for a friend. And I hope you had fun making this card. If you did, you can give this video a thumbs up. Really appreciate that to help out my little channel. And parents, I would also love your comments below on what you thought of the kits. And yeah, if anyone has any ideas for future card designs, we'd love to hear about those. So you can comment if you have any ideas. All right, hope you have lots of fun making these. Hope you had lots of fun making these, and that the person you give it to loves it as much as you did as well. So I will see you next time. Bye for now.